In this video, I am going to share you the usage of filter function using multiple conditions. We have here the list of employee names, profession, salary and bonus. So I am going to use the filter function here. Just equals filter, open bracket, then I'm going to filter this area, the first argument array, open it, fix it with F4. Then my condition, I have two conditions. I'm using AND here. AND means we need to, the multiple condition should be true. So the first condition, profession, open bracket, inside we have to mention the profession. Just open the bracket. So profession should be accountant. Close the bracket. Use multiplication mark. Then next condition, salary should be open bracket, or salary should be less than 15,000. Close bracket. Then if not found, if it's empty, no result. It's not working because there is no double quotes in the result. So I need to change it as double quotes, ending double quotes. So I'm closing the double quotes here. We have find it here, 14,000. This is Peter John, accountant. He's the one who got, his salary should be 14,000. We have one more accountant. His salary is 15,000. So he is the only one. In case I change it to admin, there is one guy, he got less than 15,000. In case I change it to operation, no result, only one operation guy, he has more than 15,000. So now instead of and, I'm using or means any condition should be true. So if its salary is less than 15,000, or the guy should be operation, his profession should be operation. So we have three results. Either condition should be true. Here either operation should be true or salary should be less than 15,000. Either his profession should be operation or salary should be less than 15,000. So we learned and or, and multiplication should be true. In the or, any condition should be true. Normally we are using filter in the normal conditions. We are opening the array. I am using just here the salary. This is the array I am going to get it. And next one, the condition. So my condition is salary. Salary should be here. See here in the operation we got it. If it's accountant, we got it as is usual. We got it salary of the accountant only. So in case I put it here sum, open bracket and close bracket also. We got it 29,000 because accountant, we have two accountant, 15 and 14. In case I change it to admin or operation, see accountant first admin, I'm using here two admins, then I am going to change as admin. See here 28,000, 12,000 and 16,000. So you can use other functions also, such as minimum and maximum. See here, minimum we have found it for the admin 12,000. So in case I use the maximum, it will be 16,000. Sorry, yeah. Average, if I change it to average, so average salary of an admin, this is 14,000. We have got it. We can change to accountant, 14,500 an average salary. Like this we can change it. So I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.